Welcome to this tutorial on how to install SamS Gazebo 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your gazebo safely and efficiently. First, prepare the installation site by clearing the area of any debris and leveling the ground. It is essential to choose a flat surface to ensure the stability of the gazebo. Next, unpack the gazebo components and hardware from the box and verify that all parts are included. Begin the installation process by assembling the gazebo frame. Attach the legs to the main frame using the provided bolts and screws. Make sure all connections are secure and tightened properly. Then, attach the roof poles to the frame and secure them with the provided clips. Install the canopy by placing it over the roof poles and securing it with the provided straps and hooks. Ensure the canopy is tightly secured to prevent it from blowing away in the wind. Attach the netting or screen walls to the frame using the provided hooks and ties. Finally, install any additional features such as lights or fans according to the manufacturer's instructions. Double-check all connections and ensure the gazebo is stable and secure. Regularly inspect and maintain the gazebo to ensure its longevity and safety. By following these steps and taking necessary precautions, you can successfully install your SamS Gazebo 2025 and enjoy it for years to come. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines for specific installation requirements and recommendations.